Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're going to show you how to assemble and install our noble STI Style 3-piece lip onto our 2022 and 23 Subaru Wrx. Check it out. Ah yes, you just received your noble 3-piece front lip in the mail and you've noticed something. When you take it out of the box, although it ships for much cheaper, it is in 3 different pieces. So today we're going to be assembling those pieces into a complete front lip, which we are going to install onto the vehicle. Before we get started, we're going to take a look at what's inside the box, then we're going to assemble all of our pieces into one lip and install it on the car. As you can see, our front lip comes in 3 separate pieces. Also included in the kit is 2 side mounting brackets and all of the hardware to assemble the brackets to the lip and assemble all 3 pieces of the lip together. Starting with our center piece and a corner piece, you will notice this groove. This groove will slide in pretty snugly to the center piece. Then, using one of our coarse gold pieces of hardware, we are going to attach these 2 pieces. Repeat this step for the other side. Moving on to our bracket, this is the driver's side of the lip and our driver's side bracket. You're going to want to make sure that our elongated hole here is facing upwards and our regular round hole is facing the center line of the vehicle. At this point, the bracket is going to mount like this onto the lip. Using our threaded hardware, we will push the threads in from the back and then another piece up from the bottom. Tighten the hardware with a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm wrench. Both pieces of hardware are tight and secure. We can move on to the other side. Are we looking good so far? Great. Our 3-piece lip is now a 1-piece lip. And with that being said, the lip now installs just the way any other STI style 1-piece lip would install onto the vehicle. So the first thing we have to do is start removing some plastic clips. Then we're going to use a combination of those factory plastic clips and our provided self-tapping hardware to secure our lip to the car. Once under the car, we're going to remove these 2 push pins on each side for a total of 4. Using these holes and the factory push pins, start to install the front lip. Our lip is now mocked up, and using our self-tappers, we're going to start from the center of our lip and work our way to the sides. 2 things to note. Number 1, because it's a plastic lip, we're going to want to check our clearance as we go around and tighten everything up. Also, because we're screwing into a plastic bumper, we're going to want to make sure not to over-tighten our hardware so that it pulls any of those threads. One final check around the perimeter with the screwdriver, and I would say our install is all done. Thanks for taking a look at the assembly and installation of our noble STI style front lip for the VB chassis WRX. For thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.